Did you know that sneezing is basically your nose's way of hitting the emergency eject button? When dust, germs, or even bright light irritate your nose, your brain goes, nope, and launches a sneeze at up to 100 miles per hour, faster than a cheetah. But here's where it gets even weirder. Some people sneeze when they step into the sun, thanks to something called the photic sneeze reflex. And whatever you do, don't hold in a sneeze. It can actually hurt your sinuses, or in rare cases, even damage your throat. So next time you feel that tickle, just let it fly. Like and subscribe for more!